Hey guys, I am your Quick Tech Buddy, and in this video I'll tell you that how to combine multiple PDFs in one PDF. Let's start our video after this short. Here I have taken 3 PDFs which is named as Demo 1, Demo 2 and Demo 3. In Demo 1 it contains a smiley emoji, in Demo 2 it contains a tired emoji, and in Demo 3 it contains an angry emoji. So for combining these three we need to open our browser. Here I am using Google Chrome as my main browser. Once the Google Chrome is opened, search www.pdfjoiner.com and you can see the interface like this. Just click here combine PDF and now you can upload files by clicking this button. Click this button and if you want the angry emoji first, then select the angry emoji. Now I am selecting angry emoji first, then I'll add the smiley emoji and tired emoji. Basically it means that add PDFs in order whichever you want. So I want the order in angry, then smiley, then tired. So I'll select the angry file first, it's uploading, then it's converting it. Then I'll add smiley and then I'll add the PDF of tired. Just click this combine button to download it. Here you can see that it is named as combinedpdf.pdf. Close your browser, open your library and go to downloads. Click on the file and just rename it. I am here renaming it as combined demo. So I hope you learned something new today, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates from my channel. Thanks for watching.